In this video, I want to show you how you can unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A15, alright? If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe as well. Remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this procedure will erase all the information on your device. Unfortunately, that's how it is, okay guys? There is no other alternative, alright? So remove your SIM card, remove your memory card. And in some cases, I want to leave this important information for you. In some cases, you will also need to connect a cable, a USB cable to your computer so that it enters recovery mode due to some updates and certain models. It's asking for this now, but you don't need to download any program. Alright, if you try to do it without connecting the cable and your device needs to be connected to the computer, well, you can repeat it as many times as you want, but you won't succeed. So this device here and other models need it. So let's connect it here, and you will press the volume down button at the same time and the power button together. When the device restarts, release only the volume down button. Keep pressing the power button and the name will appear. Here on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume button up here. Keep holding it until it shows the recovery mode so we can go there and select the unlock option. I'll show you here, so let's go. Keep holding the volume down. Keep holding it until it restarts, just for a few more seconds. Or rather, once it restarts, release the volume down button. Keep pressing the power button and pay close attention. Release the power button, keep holding the volume button. With the cable connected, it entered the mode, now disconnect it. Now go down by pressing the volume down button. Select Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Test again and confirm once more. Let's wait for the process to complete. When you reach this screen, confirm. Once again, your device is already being unlocked. You just need to wait and it will come back without any PIN, pattern or password. From this initial screen that you set up and for some reason you forgot, if this video helped you, if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our pics will be in the video description. And also the QR code on the screen, it doesn't matter. Whatever your help may be, the value of your contribution is important. It's your support and your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks, take care, see you next time.